How to log in to your Trust Wallet account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can get logged into your Trust Wallet account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. So there are two ways that you can get logged into your account. One is using an app, another is using a web browser. For today's video, let's get started by installing an app and using it for signing in. Open up your Play Store. At the top search bar, type in Trust Wallet. This is the application that we are looking forward to download. Here, as you download this application, tap on Install, and once the installation has been completed, tap on Open. Then tap on Get Started. Now, as you already have an account, just tap on Add Existing Wallet. Here, simply type in the secret phrases that has been given to you before you logged out of your previous account, and if the credentials are correct, you will successfully get logged into your Trust Wallet account, and that is how you can do it. So thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this.